Good morning everyone. Let's discuss some questions related to AP series from the 10th class. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. मतलब जो 11वें नंबर पे टर्म है और जो 16 नंबर पे टर्म है वो हमें गिवन है. तो A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is equal to 73. एंड दे सेड कि फाइंड द 31st टर्म. तो हमें यहाँ पे 31st टर्म को पता करना होगा. what is given? A11 is given, A16 is given. So we can say कि A plus 11 minus D is equal to 38 and A plus 16 minus 1D is equal to 73. So here is the formula of AN. We apply when the number of terms is 11. So this become A plus 10D is equal to 38 and this become A plus 15D is equal to 73. So this become equation 1 and let this equation 2. Now we have to subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. When we subtract, we get the value of D. You can see here right hand side minus from right hand side, left hand side minus from left hand side. So after we get A cancel with minus A and 15D minus 10D, that is 5D. We know that when it goes inside the bracket, the sign will change. This will become minus A, this will become minus 10D. So from here we can say that D value is 7. Here it is multiplied, this side this will be divided, so D is equal to 7. So now this value of D is equal to 7, we have to put in any equation. You can put in either 2 or 1. I put this in equation 1. So A plus 10, because there is a D here, so we put the value of D here. So 10 multiplied 7 is 70 is equal to 38. When this 70 comes this side of the equal to, this will become minus. Because there is a plus, so this when this side it comes, so it will become minus. So this A value is minus 32. Now we get the values of D also, we have a value of A also, but we have to find A31. So when we have to find the A31, so we have to same apply the formula. This time we have to fill the values of A and D as well. So minus 32 plus 30 multiply, this is 31 minus n minus 1, 31 minus 1 D, 30 multiply 7, because we know that n is here 31. So minus 32, 7 3s are 21, this is 210. When we subtract, because plus minus minus, when we subtract it will become 178. So 31st term or A31 we can say is 178. Now discuss next question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here what they said कि there are 50 terms. It means the overall AP series has a n term, n is equal to 50 terms. So A3 is given, A3 is equal to 12, A50 is equal to given A50 because last 50 terms, so last term will be 50, so A50 is equal to 106, right? So we have to find the A29 term, A29 and 29 term we have to find. So we will same apply the formula for A3 and A50. A3 will become A plus 2D, this is 3 minus 1D, right? So A plus 2D is equal to 12 and A plus 49 is equal to 106. Again equation 1 and equation 2. So when we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we will get the value of D here, and again we have to fulfill this value in equation 1. And we will get the value of A. You can see on the next page I find the value of A. So A is equal to A, D is equal to 2. So A29, A is equal to 29 minus 1D, and A, this is 28 multiply because D value is 2. So this will become 56 and 56 plus 8, 64. So A29 value is here 64. Come to the next question. Next question is, if the third and the fifth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, the word here respectively shows us that third term is the fourth and ninth term is the minus 8. Which term of this AP is 0? We have to find that which term of AP is 0. So A3 is given, A3 is equal to 4 and A9 is equal to minus 8. So here a plus 2d is equal to 4, because we know the formula a plus n minus 1d. Again it applied here, and it is equal to 4, and it is equal to a plus ad is equal to minus 8. So here become equation 1, here become equation 2. Same method we have to follow, subtract equation 1 from equation 2, and we will get the value of d again, as we done in first two questions, right? So after we get the value of d, we have to find the value of a by putting the value in equation, any equation. So I put in equation 1, so we will get the value a and d, because we have to find that कि which term of this AP is 0. So we assume that कि n term is of AP is 0, so we have to apply the formula, because we have to find the value of n, because we have to find the which term. So n we have to find here, right? So an is equal to 0, because that AP जो term है that is equal to 0, so that's why it is equal to 0. We will apply the formula, we will pull the value of a and d, and we will get the value of n. So this will become, so n fifth term जो होगी वो आपकी 0 होगी. Now we can check this also. If you have any doubt कि a5 is equal to, we know that a5 is equal to a plus 4d, because n minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, so a plus 4d. When we fulfill the value of a and d, we will get 0. It's proof here कि a5 is equal to 0, so it means n is correct. Now come to the next question. Next question is, the 17th term of an AP exceed its 10th term by 7. जो AP की 17th टर्म है that exceed the 10th term, वो 10 टर्म को exceed कर रही है by 7, तो it means 10 term plus 7 exceed कर रही है, वो AP की 17 term है. Same we will apply the formula a plus 16d and a plus 9d plus 7. We will take that values on one side, and we will find the value of common difference, that is d, which we have to find here, right? So we will just take these values this side, and it will become minus minus, and you can say कि d value you can find by the calculation. I hope you understand. Next question is, which term of AP will be the 132 more than its 54 term? They are saying that कि this is the AP. From this AP we have to tell कि which n term is 132 मोर देन 54 टर्म. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम 54 टर्म को पता करना चाहते हैं, तो उसमें अगर हम 54 टर्म जो भी हमारी होगी, उसमें अगर हम 132 प्लस कर दें, राइट, 132 एक्सीड करवा दें, मोर कर दें, राइट, तो उसका क्या होगा, वो हमें पता चल जाएगी कि वो किस टर्म के लिए है. इस क्वेश्चन को हम कैसे करेंगे? We know that we can find the value of d from here, a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a1, the common difference 12 here, so d is equal to 12, right? So a is equal to 3, a is the first term, and we have to find the value of a54. a54 is equal to a plus 53d, that is 53 multiply 12, because d is the 12, this will a54 is 639. now they said कि इस जो टर्म में 54 टर्म में we have to plus the 132. when we plus both, है ना, so we will get the value of an. so an is equal to here 771, but they said कि we have to find the which term, where this word which term means कि we have to find the value of n only. So we will apply the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. From here we can get the value of 65. Again you can check your answer by applying the same formula here. I prove here कि a 65 is equal to 771. तो यही हमने किया. When an is 771, we will get the n value 65. So if we can check that also by this method. Thank you.